What's up YouTube, this is your boy Shilpi's with another video of most beautiful haircut transformation for black men. In this video you will find the most incredible haircut transformation and all of this haircut inspired by the most famous and talented barber around the world. I hope you will enjoy this video. Watch this video and enjoy.
He got 2 light spots and he said other bars push him back like this. To prevent this, I lay the waves down to hide those light spots. Then I prep the skin up, then out the hairline. Then I line it up super natural, then boom, that's the end look. If you're low and man, got an issue with your hairline, click the link in the bio to book today.
Barber have creativity and ability to suggest a perfect haircut that suit your face shape, no matter what type of face shape you have and what type of hair you got, but this barber will got you. Are very consistent and they gave you the top-notch haircut whenever you will visit that barber. As you can see, this barber have an incredible attention to detail. Every cut is precised and polished. Like, I love that work. That was fantastic transformation. And you know what? Atmosphere that barber creating their barbershop are very welcoming and comfortable. Like, I love that.
Is your hairline receding like this new client? Do other barbers leave your hairline looking like this? What the fuck? To fix it, I take some bulk down to hide those light spots. Then I prep the skin up, thin it out, line it up super natural, then boom, that's the end look. If you're in Lower Maryland, got an issue with your hairline, click the link in the bio today.
All of these barbers have a great sense of style, the most important thing for the client, because all of these barbers have a great taste. They are insane. Haircut compilation, all of these tutorial videos are incredibly clear and easy to follow. If you are a barber or you are looking for some haircut tutorial, I think this compilation will inspire you, because it's really easy to you to replicate that technique that the barber will demonstrate. I love that transformation, and the way he is doing his work are impressive, and it's really easy to learn something.
you got a fucked up barber? Do you have two light spots in your hair? This is how about three. I lay the waves down to hide those light spots, and then I prep the skin up, and then I line it up real natural.
I love his work.
If you in Laurel, Maryland, and got an issue with your hairline, click the link in the bio to book today. This new client got two light spots. He said other bars push it back like this.
I literally appreciate
take it down, then I'm gonna lay the waves down, then out the hairline, just prep the skin,
put
line
your
it up
effort
super natural, and boom.
for
That's
doing
the
that
end.
half
Look,
up
if you're a lower
here,
man and got
it's
issues with your
impressive.
hairline, click the link in the bio to book today.
The way that barber handle their tools with like precious and skills truly set you apart. I love that. Guys, if you are really love all of these haircut, yes, you can book your appointment and you can get a haircut from this barber. Like I will mention all of these barbers in my description
My boy's
box.
hairline is
Go
fucked up.
and
That
take
joint
the
is swinging.
balls
Other
and
barbers leave it
just
like that
put
or
your
push that
arm
shit
and
way
go
too
back
far.
to this
Instead,
barber
I'm gonna take
because
some
he
bone
has
down,
skills
then I'm gonna thin it out, prep the skin up, and then line it up real natural. Then boom, that's the end. Look, if you in Lower Maryland got an issue with your hairline, click the link in the bio to book
just
today.
insane. They got amazing skills.
My boy's hairline is wild. He got two light spots and the other barber giving McDonald's hairline. To prevent this, I lay the waves down to hide the light spots, and then I thin it out, then I prep the skin up, and then I line it up real natural, get flyaways, then boom, that's the end result. If you in Laurel, Maryland and got an issue with your hairline, click the link in the bio to book today.
Basically, the best thing is about that barber. They knows the current trend and they have great techniques to give you a right haircut that will fit on your face and that will be precise on your face and it will suit your hair type and face shape. And they got amazing skill and that's impressive. That barber got fantastic eye for what hairstyles suit a different face shapes and features, and I love that. That was most beautiful haircut transformation I have ever seen on the internet. We hope you had enjoyed all of this crazy haircut transformation.
You tired of having overhanging hairs on your lineup like this? Well, I have your solution. It's simply to lay the hair down before you line it up, so that way the hair is in the direction it's going to be in after you take the new bag off. This is the final product of the hairline being prepped properly. It is in the San Diego area. If you have this problem with your hairline, tap the link in my bio to book your appointment.
All of these haircuts inspired by the best barber around the world. As you can see, these guys got amazing skills, and I hope you had enjoyed all of this crispy haircut transformation. And now we are going to sign off.
Thank you so much for
I
watching
will
the video. Don't
highly
forget to
recommend
subscribe our
to
channel,
subscribe
turn on
that
post
channel
notification to get update for every new
new
upload.
upload. Thank you so much for watching videos. Don't forget to subscribe.